Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here's a very quick breakfast recipe: avocado toast. Cut your avocado, mash it up with your spoon or fork, add salt, and after that you're adding the secret ingredients, as in the highlight of the meal, and it's a Spiceo multipurpose spice mix. Take a little bit of it and sprinkle it on your avocado, and now combine together. Make sure it's well combined. Then toast your bread on a pan, oil the pan, or you can butter the bread. Then flip after a minute. If you want it browner, you can make it spend more time on the stove, just like this. Once it's done, repeat the process for the other loaves. Then spread your mashed avocado on the bread. Yeah, you must try this as soon as possible. And after you spread it, now we go to the toppings. Can you guess the toppings? Oh, okay. Wait for it. Wait. And now the toppings. We're using flaxseed. This is very, very rich. So then your boiled eggs. You can use tomatoes or any toppings of your choice. But now I choose flaxseed and boiled egg. And here is it. Cover it with the other toast. And your avocado toast is ready. This is so yummy. Oh my god. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.